Okay, so here we are with the third installment of building this trailer. We have all of our cross members laid out. They're all screwed in from the sides. Now what we got to do is get a center point for each one of these so that we can flip this over, mark our lines, and then screw in from the top to draw this ply onto here. Now I'm just going to put one screw here, one screw here, 5 or 6 inches in. I haven't decided yet, but just 2 screws, one here, just to pull that ply tight to all of these. We already know that we got to mark a line at 3/8 to get to the center of this one. So what you do is just lay your tape out there. You go to the edge of the board and then count 3/8 of an inch in, and then you'll be on center. You just go down the whole thing doing that. Write your measurements down, which I've already done, and then you'll flip it, which we'll do now. We'll put our tape back on here. We'll go right down here. Should tape close to the edge though. Make a mark there. Here. Here. You can also see the screw in the center of each one, so you could just mark up a line and mark that way. There's no one right way to do it. Then what I do is take my square, make me a line, make me a line. Do the same thing for the other side. For the ends, I'll set my combination square. Three-eighths. Run it along the edge, the front. Back. Then what I'll do is determine where I want my screw to be. If I go 7 inches from the outside edge, 7 inches from this outside edge, that leaves me 9.5. So let's go 8. 8. That leaves me 8. So 8 inches it'll be. 8 inches in from the outside edge is where our line will be. Then all you have to do is pre-drill, countersink, pop your screws in there, pull it, flip it over, check to make sure you didn't miss. Sometimes a board can have a curvature in it, which I don't think any of mine do, but you could miss. Well, if that happens, pull it out, remeasure, put a new one in. It'll leave a hole in your ply, but who cares? It's not gonna hurt it. I mean, it's a hole. Consider it a drain hole if water gets on it, which if you're going to pull a bike trailer, inevitably it will get wet. So that's the next step in the process. Nothing hard, nothing spectacular, pretty simple. Just go ahead and lay it out, and I'm going to do that now. Get all these screws put in here, flip it over and check it, and then we'll continue on with the next part of the build. I'll see y'all in a bit.